Okay, so this is the Xspec scooters. Most scooters, or all Xspec scooters, come in two pieces. One piece comes including the clamp. These clamps come either in two screws or in three of them. So you can start off by grabbing the handlebar and inserting it inside the headset. Once you do that, you want to tighten it as much as possible with your hand. So once you've done that, you want to bring down the scooter and you're going to line up the handlebar with the wheel. As soon as you align it, you want to come back to the clamp and you want to tighten it as much as possible with the Allen wrench.